Hi, Ev.
Hi, cheese.
What's Evan playing as today? Who are you, Ev?
That's Tracy.
Yeah?
Yeah.
What you got there? Show Grandma.
And has a stick and the bad guys here.
What else?
And yeah, they're gonna ban the bad guys.
What else?
And have a watch a truck. Call Tracy.
What else?
And a holster or a gun.
What else? What's on the holster, Ev? It holds...
Gun, holster, stick, ban the bad guys on the head, and then a watch that truck.
There's something else, Ev, hanging off your holster by the gun. What's that?
Handcuffs that catch the bad guys and put India.
Oh.
The bad guys get lost.
Alright. You're all set. You're gonna go get the bad guys now, right?
Oh,
That's another stick, huh? And you got your glove, too. What's the glove for?
get a stick so it takes my coat. Now I stick Tracy again.
Go get those bad guys, Ev. Uh-oh. Bye-bye. See you later.
Bye, see you, Dirty.